This
is
so
good. Mmm. Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a gingerbread house challenge. So, I went to the store, picked up these gingerbread house kits. The challenge is that we'll see who can create the best looking house that's going to be judged by my mother within 20 minutes. I'm kind of nervous because I've never done a house so big. Let's get started.
Yeah.
How you open this thing?
I don't know how to open this.
Unless
Open it. Oh,
it comes pre-built.
it comes. Okay. Okay, so we have the icing. Comes with candy cane sticks. A little. What is. Okay. And then.
The masterpiece.
Oh, so the house comes made already. I don't want to break it.
You got mine.
Oh, so this is
I
how
see.
people do it. Yo, me and my bro sitting in the living room trying to set up gingerbreads cause Santa's coming soon. Hey, it's Christmas. Hey, it's Christmas. Hey, it's Christmas. Hit it. Hey, 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 cause it's Christmas. Cause it's Christmas.
Yo, I'm actually sick of making beat to my mom.
Okay, so time's up. Okay, Mother, you have to say the pros and cons of both and then give the final verdict.
Okay, so I want you, Georgia, to turn yours so that I could look at it. Just keep turning it like it's on a turnstile. Nice, nice. Till it gets to the front. Okay, nice. Put it down.
Are you ready for me?
Yeah, Annalise, will you turn yours, please?
I'll even add music.
Turn, 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 turn. Okay, all right. So I like the fact that DeAndre tried to create a little something, an effect on the roof. It looks like
strobe lights. String lights.
No, it looks like you know when the snow gets stuck on top of the roof, and so I think he tried to create that. That's really artistic, DeAndre. It's really artistic. I like that you use different colors to create the look, and I like how you have at the front the walking in to open the doors. Those are lights that are ushering in visitors into the home. Okay, so really good job. I like the side panels that you have there with the candy canes. Lovely side panels. And I like to see the drippings of the snow coming off the roof. Yes, so I like to see the icicles dripping off the roof. Annalise, I'm looking at yours now, and I like the window, the door panel that you have with those two lights. I want to say those two
nipples.
Okay, and I like the fact that you like to create a little effect right at the roof there, but it's not just plain. You try to show like this a little bit of snow melting, but it is still there. I could pick up the house from a mile away because you made sure that the effects or the colors of it on the roof, I could see the house from a mile away. I like the fact that you have
from a mile away too.
Hers are big. You see those big things on the roof?
You see this big thing?
Turn it, turn it.
My chimney.
Where's the chimney?
This is
My
getting
chimney.
bad.
Is that the chimney?
Yes. Well, this chimney collapsed.
You know what? So Annalise, can you turn it? Stay it right there. Leave it right there. Yes. That's the effect. So I see Annalise's chimney. Are those chimneys, those candy cane?
Yeah.
Is it
They're
one
not
for
chimneys.
those
The
look like
people need to
exhaust
breathe.
pipes?
You have one going out and one with the air coming
I
in.
have my
Intake
No.
and all.
Exactly.
I have my
The
air
in,
circulation
the in
here.
and the out together. Where's your air circulation?
my air circulation's right here.
Why that looks like, I don't know, that doesn't look
This
like
is my
an air
chimney
circulation.
too.
So
I have
where
two
does
chimneys across.
so the air goes in through there and come out to the chimney at the top?
Exactly.
Oh, I see you.
Facts.
I see you. And I like how you were painting. But anyway, Annalise, please keep turning.
Okay, yeah.
All right, keep turning.
That's not realistic.
Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Okay. All right. So now I'm supposed to judge these two, and based on the concept. The concept. I like the concept.
See,
I
look
like-
at this. This
Okay,
is
so
the
that's what
box.
I'm looking at to judge it, right? That's what I have.
Yeah.
Creativity. If I should say I'm gonna give you creativity, I would say Annalise is a little bit more creative.
Facts.
I would say that DeAndre has the concept, but he has to build a little bit more on that chimney. Because I don't understand why that air is coming in from the back and going into the top.
Yeah.
DeAndre, I like the concept of the intake, but you need to work on that concept. I like the fact that you have those things that are guiding me. If it's dark, I know where to walk. And let him. Don't tell him who it is.
Let's do this. Let's switch it so my dad doesn't know whose is who.
Okay,
Let's see
you
what he
get a
says.
second one. You can't have one judge, okay?
No, you need the panel. Okay. Which one do you think looks the best?
The best,
Yes.
or it's more creative.
Or is a little bit more creative?
Yo.
Yes, I
Yo.
You know why too? I like the doors. The doors.
So
You see
here's the
with
problem now.
with
Like,
the candy over it
Yeah.
or whatever. I like it. That one look like it is.
Say it gently.
No, that one looks like it is conservative. Very conservative.
What?
But that's
Yeah.
that's how the person is, though.
Mhm.
Person's
And this
diverse.
one look like that's what this one is just loud.
Yeah, very loud.
But it is
Personality.
but it's more creative. That one is very conservative. That
Conservative.
one look like DJ.
How'd you
We tried
to
swapping
switch
them.
it? This is DJ's.
But what caught my eyes first is the
Is the
door.
door,
Yeah,
yes.
the door piece is very creative.
Okay. Hey, and the chimneys, right? Because the people need to breathe.
Mhm.
Okay. Anyways, thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother, for judging our gingerbread house challenge. Thank you so much. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know in the comments down below who won this gingerbread house. What you liked, what you disliked.
Like and subscribe.
We got these lemons, baby.